I am Marie Brown, and this is my channel, Minds in Motion, where we talk about personal finances, how to become a better version of yourself, investing, and also how to reach financial independence and retire early. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my SoFi Invest, fractional share portfolio. I am a dividend investor, so majority of these stocks will be dividend growth stocks or just dividend paying stocks. For those of you who haven't yet, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And also, if you like the content of this video, make sure that you hit the like button because it does help out greatly with the YouTube algorithms. I am working to reach 200 subscribers this week, and I hope that I can make it to at least 225 subscribers this week. That would be really awesome. And if you guys are interested in opening a SoFi Invest account, if you open that account and fund it with at least $100 or more, you will receive $50 in free stocks, and so will I. I like SoFi Invest mainly because of the fact that you can invest in fractional shares. It's an absolutely free trading platform similar to Robinhood and M1 Finance, but I think they have one of the best referral bonuses out there. So let's go ahead and look at the portfolio. So I started this portfolio, guys, on September 18th. And since starting this portfolio, I've been investing around $25 a week. Total money that I put into this portfolio, and that's including any referral bonuses that I've received, is $337. My account is currently up $4.58 for a market gain of $3.91, and I've received 67 cents in dividends since starting this account. Let's go ahead and look at the dividend payments that I received. And I am looking at the desktop version of this investing platform. You can also download the SoFi Money Management app onto your phone, and you can also invest that way through your phone on their app. So last week on October 31st, I received a dividend of 9 cents from JP Morgan Chase. And then on November 1st, I received a dividend from Verizon of 17 cents. Now, what I've been doing in this particular portfolio, guys, is I've been mainly using the staggered dividend investment strategy, where I am pretty much buying dividends that pay a quarterly dividend payout in a way that I will receive dividend payments every single month. So what I want to do today is I want to share with you the companies that I will be buying next week in order to receive dividend payments on their next payout date. The companies that I'm going to go over with you today have an ex-dividend date of next week between the days of November 4th through November 8th. So the first company that I'm going to share with you excuse me, is Intel, ticker symbol INTC. And as you can see right here for Intel, and I'm just going to move this up a little bit so we can see, guys. So for Intel, I've already started a position in Intel. They're currently trading at $56.51. I am up 52 cents, and I have invested $10 in Intel. They have an ex-dividend date of November 6th. Their current dividend yield is 2.23%, and they pay a 32-cent dividend. So that's one of the companies that I will be adding to this week. Next is Apple, and let's look at Apple. So if you can see right here for Apple, the current price is $255.82. I am up $3.60 on Apple. I have invested $26 or probably less than $26. Let's just take a look at it and see what I've actually invested in Apple. So yes, so my total investment in Apple is $26.60 or $26, excuse me. So I am up $3. Excuse me, I think my investment is actually $23, and I am up $3.60. Excuse me, guys. So as you can see, fractional share investing is very new to me. So I am learning as I go, and I hope that you guys can keep up with me and I'm not confusing you too much. So let's go back to the portfolio. And Apple does have an ex-dividend date of November the 11th. Their dividend yield is 1.20%, and they pay 77 cents per share as a dividend. The next company that has an ex-dividend date this week is going to be Boeing. And I'm pretty sure I already have a position in Boeing. Here we go. So for Boeing, their current price is $345.19. Their ex-dividend date is also the 7th. Their current dividend yield is 2.38%. They pay a big dividend, guys. They pay $2.06 per share. So I haven't even started buying anything in Boeing. And that's another good thing about SoFi for those of you who've never used it or have never seen any of my updates. This is the 5th update of this portfolio, but you can invest as little as $1 into a company with SoFi. So that's another good thing about SoFi. I think for M1 Finance, I'm not sure how much of a fractional share that you can buy, but with SoFi, you can start a position in a company with as little as $1. So the next company that I will be investing in this week is Constellation Brand, ticker symbol STV. And Constellation Brands, they have an ex-dividend date of, let's see here. They also have an ex-dividend date of the 7th. And Constellation Brands, they're in the consumer goods, beverage, and wine industry. And I'm pretty sure you guys are very familiar with them. They're currently trading at the price of $191, and their dividend yield is 1.58%. They pay 75 cents per share, and I will be adding to my position. My current value is $9.86. I am down 14 cents on this position. And then the next position is Pfizer. So for those of you who already own shares in these companies, or you may be investing in these companies in a fractional share portfolio, if you guys, are like me, you might want to add to these companies this week because they have ex-dividend dates coming up. And just remember, when it comes to the ex-dividend date, you have to own that company or you have to add to that position before the ex-dividend date in order for it to count towards that dividend payout. So Pfizer is currently traded at $38.39. My total value is $10.51. I am up 51 cents on this position, and Pfizer's current dividend yield is 3.75%, and they currently pay 36 cents per share as a dividend. And the next company that we're going to be looking at is Wells Fargo. So Wells Fargo, they also have an ex-dividend date this week. Their ticker symbol is WFC, which makes it a lot easier to find these companies because some of these companies have multiple types of shares. So it's good to know the exact ticker symbol. So for Wells Fargo, they're currently trading at $52.18. Again, I've only started a position in Wells Fargo. So I only have $1.01 of value of Wells Fargo, but I am up 1 cent, but I will be adding to this position this week. So next time when I do an update, my position in Wells Fargo will be a lot bigger. And last but not least, the last company that I want to talk about that has an ex-dividend date this week is ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM. And ExxonMobil, they're in the industry of basic material and also the oil and gas industry. They're currently trading at $69.60. I currently do not have any position open in ExxonMobil, so I will be starting a position in ExxonMobil this week. As you can see, I have not bought any portion of shares in ExxonMobil, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you are very familiar with ExxonMobil. They are a dividend aristocrat, so that means that they've been paying their dividend or increasing their dividend for over 25 years. They're also on the S&P 500. And I mean, a lot of people have been, talking negatively about the oil and gas industry, but I think that everything is pretty much overvalued right now, or everything that's not overvalued is probably at a good buying point currently. So the last thing that I want to leave you guys with is, again, if you're interested in opening a SoFi Invest account, if you start your account with a minimum of $100 or more, then you will get $50 in free stocks of your choice. And then I will also get $50 as a referral bonus. So I will leave my link in the description below. I will also leave a link to the other videos so that you can see the previous updates. This is the 5th update of this SoFi Invest portfolio. If you have any questions about SoFi, then you can leave them in the comment below. I will be glad to answer them. I always answer all the comments, or always, correspond to any comment that you guys leave in the comments. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure that if you haven't yet, that you subscribe to the channel. And also, you guys have an amazing day.